Losers assemble in little groups and complain about the coaches and the players in other little groups. Winners assemble as a team.
This ends now.
I don't know if any of what we do matters in the end. What I do know that matters is the people we hitch ourselves to and the indelible mark they leave upon our very being. I was reading a passage recently where a character was asking, which is more important, the journey or the destination? And the other replied, it's the company. And I couldn't agree more.
I just like seeing how the team grew, building each other, and really taking everything serious. My favorite part of winning the district title.
We really figured out how to be a team.
Yeah, I mean, basketball creates a whole bunch of stuff for me. Friendships, strongest ones I've had.
The family that basketball gave me, like everybody, coaches, Calvin, Sutton's kids, everybody.
I love the journey that basketball has given us. Starting all the way in middle school to now. It takes a lot of grit to win this championship or win a regular season game.
Raise your hand if you admire these 24s. Look at that, guys. Always be a person that wants the best for others. I want you guys to hear that. Never be a person that is hoping somebody else might fail. Always be a person that wants the best for other people, even if they're an enemy, even if they're not wanting the best for you. Don't do that, ever, ever. You fight that. Hey, Coach Hoyt said it. I'm going to be a person that wants the best for others. I want to see other people do well, period.
Do you know what made that district championship so awesome, so special? It's because of everything that happened before. Like sometimes we run from failure, sometimes we run from things when they're hard. But if we hadn't just been resilient and stuck with it, we would have had that incredible. So as you go through life, you think about your relationships, whatever you're going to do, man, like Fallon, you said, let's take anything for granted. Okay, there's a reason that everything happens, okay? And it could just be district championship. Who knows what's on the other side of it, but whatever you do, man, get up, stick it up first.
You're out here by shoveling. You got your shovels out, shovel. Later on in your life, you're going to have to shovel a lot more, too. Here it comes. Just shovel. Just shovel until you get what you want. When you leave here, you're still part of it. All you do.
Hey, what's your guys' job? What's our job? That's right. You guys feel that we love you?
Yeah.
Successful season.